Your first 90 days can make or break your career growth. Let's make sure you don't just survive, but you stand out and thrive. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 essential tips to start you on your new job strong, from what to do from day 1 to building long-term success in your role. Hi, I'm Luki, a career coach with over 10 years of experience helping professionals create more purposeful and fulfilling careers. On this channel, I share practical advice to boost your confidence and grow your career. So if you're ready to level up your career, make sure to subscribe and stay up to date. First, take a moment to congratulate yourself. You landed a job, and whether it took months or days, that's a big deal. A little gratitude helps reset your mindset and brings energy into your next chapter. Now, let's get practical. Every company handles onboarding differently. Some will send clear instructions before your first day, and if you don't hear from them, don't wait. Email your recruiter or hiring manager and ask, what time should I arrive? What should I bring? Is there a dress code? And are there any specific check-in procedures? Smaller companies might not give much info, so take the initiative. And if you notice gaps in the communication after you start, offer some constructive feedback later. For example, I would love to have a checklist like this when I joined, not as a complaint, but as a way to help future hires. Next, research the company. Review your team or your department, connect with future coworkers on LinkedIn, and ask if they have any advice before you start. No need to go overboard. Even an hour or 2 of prep goes a long way. The night before your first day, plan your commute. Prep your clothes and breakfast, and aim to arrive 10 to 15 minutes earlier. And try to get a good night's sleep. And if you're nervous, that's just excitement wearing a different outfit. For the day of, wake up early, show up clean and calm, and follow any instructions you were given. When you arrive, check in with reception or security, and you'll likely get your laptop or some sort of tech setup, and you might meet HR for benefits or policy orientation, and some companies offer full training programs. Others just get you to shadow right away. Hopefully, you'll meet your team and your manager, and if not, ask. Book a one-on-one with your manager as soon as possible, and in that meeting, share a little bit about yourself, ask what success looks like over the next 30, 60, and 90 days, and ask what exceeding expectation looks like as well. See if they're open to weekly or bi-weekly check-ins. And do the same with your team members. Even quick intros or coffee chats. These early relationships are key to setting the tone for collaboration. If you're finding this video helpful, then why not join the Focus Inspired Academy, which is your gym for career confidence. Go deeper into these concepts and get group coaching to help. Click the link in the description box below for a free 1-month trial for supporting the channel. Beyond your immediate team, it helps to know people in IT for tech issues, HR for benefits or payroll, finance if you need to file expenses, and receptionists and executive assistants. They often know what's happening company-wide. Take time daily or weekly to reflect. What went well today? What could I improve? Who did I meet and how can I help them? You don't need all the answers now, but curiosity and thoughtfulness make a lasting impression. Your first 3 months are often your probation period, and they matter. Here's a simple roadmap. Month 1, fit in and understand expectations. Keep building relationships. Observe how things work. Ask questions. Keep a weekly check-in with your manager, or send an email update. Month 2, sharpen your skills. Start performing to meet expectations. Document ideas for improvement, and begin implementing small wins where possible. Month 3, show results. Recap how you've delivered value, highlight anything you've improved, and reinforce your understanding for your manager's priorities. As a pro tip, helping your manager look good often goes further than you think. Align your effort with their goals. So, you made it past probation. Now what? Keep going. Continue meeting or exceeding expectations. Maintain regular updates with your manager. Keep coffee chats going. One a week is a great rhythm. And reflect regularly and look for ways to improve processes. The people who grow fastest in their careers often do the small, consistent things that most people ignore. To recap, we covered how to prepare before day one, how to set the tone for your first day, how to build strong relationships early, and how to make the most of your first 90 days, and then how to keep the momentum going long term. Which of these tips stood out to you most? Let me know what tips you recommend in the comments or if I missed anything. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on jobs, careers, and life. And before you click off, if you'd like to build better relationships as an adult, click here. If you want to master your mindset, click here. Until next time, be focused and stay inspired.